In the window replacement category, AI systems are starting to do something every CEO, CMO, and growth leader should pay attention to. They are compressing the buyer's research process into a short list of recommended brands. A homeowner asks for the best window replacement brands, compares options, or looks for pricing guidance. The AI does not show the whole market. It selects a few names, ranks them, and frames the decision. That is where commercial influence is moving. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, a growth strategist and AI discovery analyst. At LLM Authority Index, we study how AI systems shape commercial discovery, especially in high-intent categories where recommendation positioning can directly influence revenue. The June 2026 public benchmark for window replacement analyzed 1,280 observations across 6 major AI platforms: ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Google AI Mode, Google AI Overviews, and Perplexity. The pattern is clear. Pella leads the category across the major buying stages. Andersen is the strongest challenger, especially when buyers ask pricing and cost questions. Marvin holds a stable third position. After that, the field drops sharply. Several national brands appear in AI responses. JELD-WEN, Simonton, Champion Windows, and others are present in the data, but presence does not automatically become recommendation credit. That distinction is the business story. Pella appears in 66.6% of prompts and earns recommendation credit in 50.9% of them. That means AI systems are not only aware of the brand, they are willing to advance it into ranked recommendations. JELD-WEN shows the opposite pattern. It appears in 31.6% of prompts, which is meaningful visibility, but it earns valid recommendation credit in only 13.3%. For leadership teams, that gap matters more than a generic visibility score. A brand can show up in an AI answer as background information, a factual reference, or a neutral mention. That does not mean the brand is being recommended to the buyer. In AI discovery, the commercially important question is whether the brand reaches the shortlist where the buyer is actually choosing. The benchmark focuses on 3 public high-intent prompt clusters. The first is best windows and doors brands. This is the consideration stage where buyers are forming their initial set of options. The second is brand comparisons. This is the evaluation stage where buyers are narrowing the field. The third is pricing and cost. This is the decision stage moment, and it generated the highest modeled monthly AI opportunity value among the public clusters. That pricing and cost cluster is especially important. Andersen led that segment in AI authority value, while Pella remained extremely strong. Together, Andersen and Pella captured a large share of the opportunity when buyers were closest to a purchase decision. That is recommendation compression in action. AI systems are not distributing attention evenly. They are concentrating trust around a few brands at the moment commercial intent is highest. The benchmark points to citation architecture as a major reason this concentration is happening. AI systems build answers from public evidence. They draw from official brand content, independent review sites, comparison articles, industry publications, and community discussions. When those sources are consistent, current, structured, and positive, the AI has more confidence recommending a brand. Pella and Andersen appear to have the strongest evidence layers in this category. They show up across the kinds of sources AI systems can retrieve, compare, and cite. Their public content and third-party coverage give AI systems enough support to place them near the top. For brands lower in the ranking, the issue is often not awareness. AI systems know they exist. The weakness is shortlist eligibility. If the public evidence layer is thin, inconsistent, neutral, or poorly structured, the brand may be mentioned without being chosen. Another important point is that each AI platform behaves differently. Pella performs especially well on Perplexity, where citation-rich answers matter. Andersen performs strongly on Google AI Mode, where structured, authoritative content appears to carry weight. Renewal by Andersen has a narrower profile, but ranks very well when it is recommended, particularly in Google AI Overviews. This means a single AI visibility dashboard can hide important commercial weakness. A brand may look healthy in aggregate while losing on the platform or prompt cluster that matters most to revenue. One pattern we repeatedly see at LLM Authority Index is that brands can look visible while still losing the buying moments that matter most. The real metric is recommendation position inside high-intent prompts. For window replacement leaders, the message is straightforward. AI discovery is already shaping shortlist formation before buyers reach traditional sales channels. Dealer networks, brand awareness, and offline reputation still matter, but AI systems need public evidence they can retrieve and trust. The practical work is to strengthen entity architecture, improve content structure, build better comparison coverage, support reviews and independent citations, and monitor recommendation ranking by buying stage. The brands that win AI discovery will be the brands AI systems can confidently recommend when buyers ask for help deciding. If you want to understand how AI is actually positioning your company in buyer conversations, that's exactly what we analyze at LLM Authority Index.